I actually don't know what to say. But anyways, maybe I'll talk about this purchase. So nagpalit ko og kanang DJI mini mic. Para aron ingnon. Daway. Nagpalit ko usa ka open box, and since kaya wala man ko nag-research before using it, kailangan dai ko og kanang receiver kay para magamit ang audio, makonek ang audio sa phone to mic. So nagpalit ko usa nga mini mic, only open box, which is second hand, and I also karon nagpalit ko og kanang DJI mini mic kanay receiver. So sa akong pagsabot, sa akong pagbasa nga, bisan pag separate sila nga box, I can connect to mini mic in one receiver. So atong testingan. And I forgot to introduce myself. Hi everyone. My name's Epiphany, and I'm just a tired person. How many? Ako na lang opinion. Let me see. So, thank you to hubby for buying me this. Actually, no, dugay ra jud ko ganahan mag-sig vlog. Uy, pero abot na lang 2026. Wag hapon mo dahil. Let me see. Hopefully ma-motivate na ko og kanang vlog. Pero honestly, busy man gud kay ko eh. Mao jud ang akong excuse, busy kay ko kay sa taman bantay pa ko duha ka elderly, my mother and father-in-law na pasiinda in town nga pero buyag autistic. So actually right now kahibaw kung if you can hear me because layo ko sa phone. Okay ba unsay audio na ako, but let's see what's inside the box. Iyahang instruction manual. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Smells good. Oh, that is siya bagbagan. Bag, and let's see what's inside. So, katong murag ibutang sa microphone nga murag fluffy stuff. And then the connector sa USB, I think. The receiver. What is this? Katong base sa bottom, katong para na i-charge nanan. I don't know exactly what's the right term. O the actual mini mic. Mo sold sa usa ka bag. So sa kanyang open box, nablihan naman yun ako. Ang sold anis, also they have its own bag. It has its own mini bag. O ang sold lang kay ang kaning kuan base para charger o ang actual nga mic o gihang charger o ang fluffy stuff. So this is mo ni siyang ang kaning open box second hand ni siya. Mura siya kanang mura ni siya mo nang open box ang term kay gipalit ni siya no nya gi-return giuli siya. Either giuli siya or kanang gi-display ni siya sa kanang displayhanan niya. Wala nagibalik sa karton ng open box. But the quality is still good. Wala yung mga garas-garas. Mura siya bago. And atong testingan oh, where's the receiver? Let's see. Oh, muna siyang receiver. Ka-cute. So cute. Let me see. Mic RX. Oh, yeah. So, na nakasuwat nga 1 and 2. So, it means I think na mic 1 and mic 2. And ang base. Charger na. Okay. Ang actual mini mic. Ta-da! Masa na po kaya akong itapik kanino kung ano na ko yung mic. Di man good ko confident the way kong istorya. Okay, di man ko natural. Makoy angay maramog pinugos. So, ato na lang tanawan ko unsa. Wait, how does it goes? Okay, ako yung butang. Saan kaya nino? So, mani siya ang receiver. Asa may USB nga po? Okay. Tanaw sa ko, basahon sa na ako instruction manual real quick. Ako sa na-pause ang video ha. Okay, I'll be back. Ako sa na-pause para dili ka sa memory. Hi, so I'm back. And I think it works. Okay. So, this is a shirt. Don't know. Okay, so magnet ang show. So how many? Patahay. Ano rin ano? Atay. Correct. Let me see. Wala na, blanco na ko. So, dili man ta siya kaayo complicated. No, igora nimo ipaslak ang kanang murag USB-C, ibutang nimo sa receiver, and then kanang i-connect, miingon na siya nga kanang unlock your iPhone to connect, and then naa siya mga ambot sa nang naay dial section sa receiver nga naingon nga +12, -12, -6. So kani karon akong gamit is 0. So yeah. So I think so nablangko jud ko actually. Nablangko. I don't know what to say. So I'm just happy to have this. Naghanabag amo Oh, I don't want to bore you guys because I was not prepared. Actually. I'm just happy nga niabot ng akong order nga DJI mini mic, and I was gonna do a review, but kinda I'm a little bit busy or big busy. So I was just trying this out right now because just wanted to know how this one works. And I think overall as a beginner, this one is very great, very simple, easy to follow the instructions, and that's it. I don't know how to exit this video, but maybe just to say just bye. Bye. Well, I'm gonna try to upload this on my YouTube just in case, just for memory purposes. And maybe next video I'll try to, because since I have two mics, I'm gonna let my husband use the other mic and see how it works, or how we look like on a video. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.